Alright, so we had a nice little blizzard here in Wisconsin, southern Wisconsin, and alright, just got things dug out here. So speaking of digging out in this bed, the tine fork here, you can see the leaves underneath. There's thick leaves in there. Underneath there are humongous carrots, big, long, thick carrots. So hang tight, I'm about ready to, I gotta get that cover off and get this cleared out. I'll show you in a second. Alright, so we gotta work fast here. It's windy. It's snow blowing like crazy. It's pretty cold out, so gotta get this done. So at any rate, you can see there's one. A few of them here. Okay, so I'll dig those. Alright, now I got them dug out. Now, step out of here, but just give you an idea how big one of them is. Tight here. This ain't even the biggest one. So, look at this one. Look at this sucker. It's almost as big as my forearm. And I got big forearms. So, there you go. All natural carrots have been in there since early April of 2025. I'm just getting at them now. Okay, there they are, all cleaned up. These are about 9 inches. That one, there we go. Or hook, so I don't know, 9-10 inches there. Yeah, the same thing. Now this thing is like, I don't know. It's over 2 inches wide, a little over, I'd say. So, get kind of an idea how big these are. Yeah, that one's over 2 inches too. Yeah. All right, time to get them cut up and make some dinner.